What's up everyone, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Here is a double E 1/8 scale, super budget friendly rock crawler. Now it's $199 US, or about $304 Australian. It's on currently on special, but maybe that's the standard price at Banggood. Links in the description, want to go check it out. Decided to do a first quick running video. The battery is only 3000 milliamp. This thing weighs a fair bit, so it's not going to last too much longer. So have a look at the footage and let me know what you think. Okay, this is on low speed. That's top speed for low. Toggle the switch. There you go there. So a considerable bit quicker. Back to low. There you go. So it's near double. Not too bad, but the battery is getting a little bit flat, and yeah, it's not too bad. At least it's got 2 speeds, so that's, at least if that's what you're after, you know, that's pretty cool, but not too bad. Back to high, and you know, if you're crawling around and stuff, you don't want to wait too long or walk too slow, you can do that. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that quick video. The battery didn't last too long. You would have just seen, I just showed you the difference in two low and high speed. But after that, the battery started to get a bit kaput. I might do some more videos later on it, showing some more of the capabilities. The battery just needs bigger, 3000 milliamps, so it's not too big. Because it is fairly heavy, that car. It does weigh a fair bit, but $199 or $304 Australian, it is really good value. I think maybe some of you guys might get it for the body alone and do some maybe some mods, or maybe put on another platform, not too sure. But the body, it is hard. It's hard body, hard plastic, not Lexan, so it's pretty cool. It does have that 2-speed. It is 4-wheel drive, all that kind of good stuff. But I did notice the front drive shaft was getting a little bit weak, or popping out a little bit. So that's maybe something I need to look at, maybe mod it up later on. But links in the description if you want to go check it out. It's from Banggood. If you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe, then I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys.